can open that one, then you can open Madison's, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Let her, that's our deal.
I got that pink down pretty good, didn't I?
Well, she gets to open them all for Madison. That's our deal.
I'd like you to sell it out, you'd be better.
I don't care.
Mommy, I want
That'd be better than the pink one.
I can't open this.
Okay,
Here, I'll help you.
Here,
Just
got the
You want me to
Tim
help
out.
you? You want me to help you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, come on.
Get the ribbon.
Pull the ribbon off.
Don't swallow the gum because there's no more. So you won't have any.
Don't glue your insides together. You keep swallowing your
Okay,
gum.
there's
You
the
wear
ribbons
your
off
feet on the
now.
wrong shoes and they'll, you're gonna be able to walk wrong too. You gotta put your shoes on the
Actually,
right
they
feet.
said that's good for you.
Why?
Yeah,
Because
because they turn in like this.
For real?
Yeah.
Those are for Brittany.
Wow. Can I see?
She's gonna think every time you guys get a baby, she gets clothes.
Well, we're never having another one, so.
Oh.
This is so
You
cute.
need to pull the ribbon off of this one too? There you go.
Who's got a naked butt?
You know,
Baby?
this is really sad, though. I look at every outfit and think, oh, no, both look so cute in it.
Wow.
Little mother.
You want to pull it up?
You gotta hold her head up.
I got your present.
There's a pillow here, Kimmy. You want to? Right there. That would help.
What are you doing, Kate? You're driving me nuts.
There.
That's the only gun, isn't it? Can you? Let me see. Blow me a bubble.
Oh, cool.
She's gonna talk to you.
Can you blow bubbles?
What is that?
She knows her cousin. I figured you could put on what you wanted on.
Thankful with slacks.
Can
Or, you know,
I get this one off too?
Can I get this one off too?
I can get it.
You can get it? You gonna help?